Welcome back to the Mid-Year Mitch YouTube channel. I don't have any car content for you guys, but I wanted to ask you guys to see if you could help me out with something. So I've been trying to come up with other ideas on the YouTube channel that aren't just me working on cars, because it's a lot of work, it's a lot of time, and honestly those videos don't do as well as some of the other random topics that we come up with here. The project car ones have done really well, but there are only so many of those, and I wanted to explore kind of a different avenue. But here's what my plan is and what I'm looking for. I would like to find somebody or multiple people that have worked at the Corvette factory pretty much from 53 to 82. I would like to find someone that worked on C1, C2s, or C3s in the various plants. Really what I would like to find is someone that worked in the body shop or that worked with the bird cages, but assembly is fine, quality control, someone that worked in the office, someone that oversaw it. I know there's a great book out, I have the copy right here, that's talking about going through the Corvette assembly line. Like, there's some pictures here. It's a great book. If you don't have it, you should definitely get it. It's a really great book, but I'm just wondering if there's anybody else out there that has maybe some pictures that they took that really aren't archived anywhere, or if anybody has any stories, or just to talk about how they did it. You know, I would just love to hear those stories, and I would hate for those stories to go away without being documented anywhere, because like I said, this is a great book and they did a lot of research, I'm sure, into this, but maybe there's some other stuff out there that hasn't been documented. So if anybody knows, you know, a family friend, if you yourself have done that, a neighbor, you know, even if you're passing a story on for somebody else, I'd love to hear it. So please head over to my website, and on there there's a contact me thing, and you can also, you know, get some merchandise and stuff over there. But really, if you have any of these stories or tips or leads or anything, would be really appreciated. Go ahead and send me a message on there. Whenever you send the message, make sure in the first line right away that you put that that's what this message is about, so that way I see it and I can categorize them, and maybe we can get some leads put together, and please spread the word. I would love to get some stories together, because stories are really important. You know, the cars are cool, but the cars are going to last a long time. The stories don't last forever. You know, whenever a story is gone, if it's only one person knows it, it's gone. So I would really like to try to document as much of this as possible. I think it would help us build cars better. I think it'd be interesting to talk about, and I think you guys would really appreciate it too. So please, you know, I'll try to put this out on the C2 pages as well to see if we can stir any of these up. But I really appreciate the help, and I'm sure we could find more people that worked with the C4 and C5 and stuff, which is still really cool, but that's really not the spirit of the channel. The construction of C1, C2, and C3 are similar enough that I think the stories would all work. So I really appreciate that. And also, if you guys have any ideas for other types of videos, you know, I know I made a video, what was it, a year or two ago, where I said I wasn't going to make a video every week, and then I continued to make a video for every week after that. But at this point, it's been really hard to keep up with that pace. So at some point, I probably will go to making a video every other week, at least a build video every other week. It's just really hard to keep up with recording a video, editing it, and doing all the work and stuff in 1 week. So I'm probably gonna have to slow that down just so I can keep the content like good. So I'm happy with it. I just don't want to put videos out there just to put videos out. But if you have any other ideas for things that we could do to kind of keep the pace up, and I'll do my best. I can't do everything that everybody suggests because I only have the cars that I have to work on. But I have some cool ideas coming up. Like, you know, we have a lot of cool builds. The engine for the 68 Corvette's almost done, so that's going to be ready to dyno. So I'll have a dyno video coming out very soon on that. And there's just tons of stuff coming up. So it's going to be a very busy spring. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. That really greatly helps my channel. Also, don't forget, if you have any information, please put it in my website. I'll put the link here, and it's also in the description on the video. And if you're interested, please get some merchandise or my windshield spacers. I really appreciate the support, guys, and I'll catch you guys later.